Perfect for builders, event planners, and campground owners, this versatile tool efficiently hammers fence posts, tent poles, road signs, and more. Just ensure the bolt's diameter doesn't exceed 8 centimeters, parts for different diameters are included. What's surprising is the tool's combination of a 1.3 horsepower Honda engine with a weight of 20 kilograms. In essence, it's a powerful yet relatively lightweight option, perfect for solo work. The tool is priced at $1,738. This cordless cutter might resemble a weapon from a zombie movie, but it's designed for peaceful tasks. It's perfect for cutting insulating materials and, thanks to its universal cutting element, handles mineral wool and polyurethane foam boards equally well. The tool is impressive enough to allow you to work directly on scaffolding without stops or guides. At just 1.4 kilograms and with a cutting depth of 240 millimeters, the Festool ISC 240 model is available for about $930. Milwaukee offers a fantastic product for drill enthusiasts. Dust Trap is a universal dust extraction system. It's compatible with all SDS Plus drill bits and is the first universal solution approved by the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. What's more, Dust Trap doesn't need a vacuum and works seamlessly with drill bits up to 20 centimeters long. This handy system comes at a cost of $23. Stanley also has an intriguing product, a hybrid between an extension cord and a clamp. It's very practical, thanks to its 15-amp capacity. The 91 centimeters cord length is perfect for tasks on ladders or workbenches. Thanks to the rubber elements, the attachment is secure enough to hold the hybrid upside down effortlessly. Weighing in at 640 g, the FatMax Power Claw 32050 is available for $25.50. Are you familiar with spaces for tile installation? MLT marks the next step in this category. This system works on floors, walls, and ceilings, letting you set joints with a minimal thickness of 0.5 millimeters, a feat not all competitors achieve. With just 3 reusable elements, MLT can handle numerous projects. For quicker, high-quality work, professionals can opt for a special ergonomic gun, available with nearly 1,000 MLT elements and a plastic box for $800. Meat Drills is a top-notch cordless drill designed for drilling tiles. Similar tools weigh about 23 kilograms, but this one comes in under 14. With a fully charged battery, you can drill a whopping 120 holes, reaching a depth of 15 centimeters, in just 3 seconds. No need for hoses, fluids, or generators. It's perfect for tackling projects on bridges or in tight tunnel spaces. Grab your drills for $3,360. Here's a tool tailored for drywall professionals. Wolfcraft's triple-bladed edge planer is your ticket to achieving a flawless 35 degrees edge in one pass. It handles boards ranging from 9.5 to 12.5 millimeters thickness. The planer's ergonomic design enables one-handed operation. The product includes 3 easily replaceable blades and is available for purchase at $41. Holmatro lifting bags work like a jack but are more compact. With a pressure of up to 12 bar, stacking 3 bags allows you to lift a load of up to 51 centimeters high. The Holmatro stack bags HSB range includes 4 models. The basic one supports a load of 27 tons, while the top model handles 92.2 tons. They're easy to work with, and you'll do a great job on your first use. Plus, there's a special control unit that allows you to lift and load the bags individually. Experts anticipate an 8% growth in the global container fleet this year. These caster wheels prove to be essential for container unloading and loading equipment. Depending on the version, a set of 4 wheels can support cargo ranging from 6 to 60 tons. No power tools are needed for installation. Moreover, the wheels offer enough height for container maintenance. To enhance convenience, you can also purchase tow bars. The creators of this concrete vibrator focused on both efficiency and comfort. The FPV45 version weighs just 17.7 kilograms and is perfect for indoor use, thanks to its all-electric motor. It conveniently plugs into a standard 240-volt European outlet. This device operates without unnecessary smoke, noise, or vibration, and it comes with a price tag of $1,977. Weber VPR 700 Paver and Slab Roller. The Weber VPR 700 is the hottest paver and slab roller compactor on the market. Designed for performance, Weber MT makes compaction equipment, and they are the leaders in the market for design for sure. This video shows the easy how-to and the specifications of the VPR 700. Forklift from Mornlift. The Morn Smart Pallet Forklift is designed to lift standard pallets with a 500 kilogram load capacity and a 1,500 millimeter lifting height. It is driven by a lithium battery with a long service life. The Smart Pallet Forklift is an ideal facility to load and unload goods in stacking warehouses, supermarkets, workshops, production lines, or handle goods on off trucks, containers, etc. The Bumpa, from Mace Industries, an original product that has revolutionized the roofing industry and is a household name within the UK and increasingly internationally. The Bumpa is quick to erect, simply unloaded from your truck and up and running within 4 minutes. 1,000 tiles can then be loaded onto any roof in under 25 minutes. Not only does the Bumpa outload any competitor, the Bumpa also has a powered reverse to strip valuable salvage down easily and fast straight from the roof into the back of a truck. The electric Bumpa is simple to use. Unfold the machine, plug it in, and off you go. All you need is a 5-foot transformer. Please see our operating instructions for more details.